Today we are going to unbox an essential product which we use in day-to-day life, and that is Mi Portable Electric Air Compressor. So let's go. So here is a product with the name Mi Portable Electric Air Compressor digital pressure display. So let's open and see what's inside. It's pretty tight to open though. Yeah, it's opened. So let's go inside and see there's another package. Let's open it as well, and let's keep the main package aside for some time. As soon as you open the white package, there is the product, the air compressor, and it's pretty good looking. I will search for the accessories, and there are accessories over there. There's a pouch to store the compressor as it is portable, and there is another package of accessories, and let's see what's inside them. Oh, here is a micro USB to charge the compressor. Let's keep this aside, and there are actually 3 pins. Two are here and the other one is connected to the compressor before. So here is the pin, and wow, look at that, it switched on as soon as I pulled it out. And let's put it back in and see how it switched off, and it's pretty unique, right? Let's check the instruction manual as it contains all the information about the compressor. And here is the instruction manual inside the box. So let's see. It's almost 8 pages, so let's keep aside right now. And we'll talk about the pins right now. This pin is for motorcycles, like bikes and everything, and the other one is for balls, football, basketball, etc. And the pin which is connected to the compressor is for the cars. As soon as you pull it out, you find the values as 00 to check the tire pressure, and the plus or minus symbols are to increase the pressure or decrease the pressure values. And when you press the buttons over here, the modes changes in the compressor. The first mode is for a cycle, then comes the bike, and then comes the car, and then comes the ball. And the values of the cycle and ball are in psi, whereas the values of the bike and car are in bar values. So 1 bar value is equals to something like approximately 14.21 psi. So now let's see about the product. As you can see, there's a pouch given along with the product, and the pouch has some small pockets in which the pins and the charger can be stored, and it can be carried anywhere with us, even in the bikes, cars, and everywhere. So let's see, there's a torchlight given to the compressor, so let's switch it on and see. Yeah, it's switched on right now. Off it again. Yeah, it's switched on. Yeah, right now it's switched on. So that is the torchlight over there. So we should long press the left button for torchlight to get on, and the charging light over there. If it's 100%, it's white. When it comes to 20%, it's orange, and below 15%, it comes to red. And here is the charging port for it. You can just plug in any type of charger over there, adapter. We can take 10 watts, and the battery capacity is around 2000 mAh, so the charging time is 1.5 hours or more based on the adapter. That's it. So let's hear the sound of the compressor. So let's check the compressor right now. As I brought it, packed it in the pouch, and I came here to my car to check the compressor. So here is the compressor, as it has the car pin already with it fixed on it. So let's check the tire pressure first. Rotate it. I fixed the compressor to the tire, and as you can see, it has 31 psi. So now I'm going to set So I'm going to increase it to 35 and start it. As you can see, it's in the calm mode. As you can see, the PSI for the tire is the limit of PSI is 35, and the compressor is doing its work right now. It's 32 PS. It's around 155 PS. After 35 PS, it's automatic. So guys, hope you liked the video, and please comment, share and subscribe to Techie.